Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini to open apps. First, make sure Gemini has the proper permissions enabled on your device. This allows it to interact with other applications. You can usually find these settings within your phone's main system preferences. Once permissions are set, you're ready to start launching apps with ease. It's a simple setup for powerful control. Using voice commands is incredibly straightforward. Just activate Gemini and clearly say, "Open app name," replacing the bracketed text with your desired application. For example, open YouTube. Gemini is designed to understand various app names, making it very intuitive. If there's any ambiguity, Gemini might ask for confirmation, ensuring it opens the correct program for you. If you prefer typing, simply enter Open App Name into Gemini's text input box. This works just as effectively as voice commands. For even greater speed, consider setting up custom shortcuts. These allow you to assign a specific phrase or command to launch an app, or even a series of actions. It's a fantastic way to personalize your experience and save valuable time. If Gemini has trouble opening an app, double-check the exact name of the application. Sometimes slight variations can cause issues. Also, ensure both Gemini and your device's operating system are up to date for optimal performance. Dive into Gemini settings to discover advanced integration options and further customize how it interacts with your installed applications. These tips will help keep things running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.